So guys, we're going to the Garden Studio, another apartment here at Atmosphere. I love the way this is all laid out, and the trees, you know, it's so nice. Oh wow. Oh, so wow, I can't believe this. You've actually got a like a microwave, you can cook here, a fridge. This is really incredible. It's like an apartment basically, isn't it? Your own complete private space. So obviously you've got the TV here again, and obviously you've got the chairs, and the view outside is absolutely stunning. And you've got an outside space as well. So this is like good for how many? Like 4 people or something? Or?
Good for 2.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
Really? Wow. And yet you've got all this massive, great big space.
Yes.
And then you've got the dinner table here, and wow.
And you have separate room.
Wow, that's really nice. That's really nice. And like a walk-in kind of wardrobe as well. That is really lovely.
We have here the shower area.
Again, I like the fact that it's an outside space, you know, I think that's really nice. Wow. Oh, that's so good. Wow. Decent shower, and it's really nice. Oh, and you've got like a mirror here as well through to the shower.
Yeah.
Okay. draw the curtains. No, that's amazing. No, I just love this room, and then again another artwork on the wall here, and the beds again are really comfortable. So how much is this room, and what's this?
We have a garden studio. It's 22,500.
So this is only 22,000. That's really good, because it is a massive space. You can relax here. You know, some hotel rooms are really small, and you just feel that you just don't have the space. But this is, you've got your own.
Good for 2, but it's okay if extra 2 person.
Okay, yeah. So wow. And would you charge extra for that, or that?
Yeah, we just
yeah, of course, yeah, because it looks as though it can accommodate more. Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you. Oh, recycling there as well. That's good. And then you got like a proper fridge as well, and even a freezer. Oh, and a proper cooker as well. That's amazing. No, I love this space. Like plates and I love the coffee as well. This is like local coffee, right?
Yeah, it's a complimentary.
Ah, okay, that's nice. All right, thank you so much for showing me this room as well. And it's Rena, right? Maraming salamat, Rena. That's amazing. Thank you.